In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix reposts not working on Instagram. So if reposts are not working or they are not showing on your account, what we need to do is head over to Instagram. Once we go over to Instagram, if we click on our profile picture, click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, you will then be able to go down and check if reposts are actually enabled. So if we go to your activity, if reposts are enabled, as you can see, reposts will be selected right there. Now, if you cannot show and you cannot repost anything on Instagram, what we can do is we can go back, head over to our app store, search for Instagram, and then we want to make sure that Instagram is on the latest update. Now, if Instagram is on the latest update, what we can then do is we can go back, and then you want to head over to the Instagram app, click and hold down on this, and essentially what you need to do is you want to click and remove the app. Once you remove the app, you can then reinstall the app on your device. And then once we reinstall, that should bring the old app up to the latest update. And then what will happen is that reposts will then be shown on your account. So if we go ahead and check, as you can see, the repost button will be right there. So that's how you can fix reposts not working on Instagram.